Being successful is more of a journey, not a destination. The Srijan School's greatest journey started off with a small step 18 years back on this Red Flag Day. Three visionaries decided to provide insightful guidance to the next gen and channelize their untapped potential in the right direction. Looking back, we realize what matters the most is not years, but days, as each day spent at this institution has cast long-lasting impact on the tender minds. We are proud that the journey of many stalwarts began through the gateways of the Srijan School. Srijan has not only worked to impart education to the young tots, but has also ensured that they turn into creative, responsible citizens who contribute towards making this world a better place. The school's ideology showcases that education is not only a tool to turn around a life, but also a seedling to steer an entire generation into a new direction. The school's motto, Shreshtham Srijamyaham, gives utmost importance to being creative, willingness to learn, exploring and exhibiting innate curiosity. Today we are here to rekindle the fire that started 18 years ago. Wishing our Srijan a very happy birthday. Keep prospering and make this world a beautiful place to live in.
सृजन जहां अपनी कलात्मकता के लिए ख्याति पा रहा है, वहीं स्कूल का वार्षिक परिणाम भी इसकी उन्नति में चार चांद लगा रहा है। हम स्कूल के उन सभी विद्यार्थियों को मुबारकबाद देते हैं जिन्होंने 10वीं और 12वीं कक्षाओं में उत्तम प्रदर्शन किया व विद्यालय को गौरव प्रदान किया। प्रस्तुत है इस परीक्षा परिणाम की कुछ झलकियां।
Now it's my pleasure to announce the winner of the Srijan School Award for Outstanding Improvement for the session 2019-2020. This award was initiated by our dearest Anjali ma'am. The outstanding improvement can be in terms of attitude and behavior, self-confidence, academics, or creative pursuits. And the winner of this award is Hardik Bedi, who is presently in class 7C. He has been a role model for others. As a council member, his leadership skills were commendable. He took up the responsibilities and performed them with utmost sincerity and dedication. His spirit of never giving up had a positive influence on his classmates. Congratulations, dear Hardik.
स्कूल के सर्वांगीण विकास के लिए हम सभी ने भरपूर प्रयास किया है। इस प्रयास में जहां बच्चों ने अपना उत्तरदायित्व संभाला, वहीं हमारे प्रिंसिपल सर ने भी पग पग पर बच्चों को सही रास्ता दिखाया है। मैं अनुरोध करती हूं प्रिंसिपल श्री विंसेंट आशीष मोसेस जी से कि वे बच्चों के सामने अपने बहुमूल्य विचार प्रस्तुत करें।
Education is not the learning of facts, but training of the mind to think. Warm greetings to everyone on this special day when the Srijan School has completed 18 years of glory. We at the Srijan School look at education to be holistic, that prepares our children for lifelong learning, for a productive life in which their skills and attributes are constantly challenged. Collaboration and not competition is practiced in classrooms, and teachers help young minds feel the world of human relations. In true sense, do we prepare the children for a journey ahead that is full of trials and tribulations? Today, when we look back, it makes us feel proud to see how we have lived up to our promise and stayed committed to our vision. To develop self-inspired, creative thinkers who become disciplined and caring citizens. Our students are studying in elite institutions, pursuing their dreams. Presently, some of them are in lucrative careers. This is our accomplishment. At the Srijan School, we cater to the head, heart, and the soul, with the sole intention to have happy children. The Srijan School is a school of repute. Success does not come easy. The drive for excellence permeates deeply the school culture that promotes harmony, dedication, and a win-win scenario for everyone in school. Thus, the snapshots of 18 years ago reminds us of where we had been and encourage us to continue challenging ourselves with high expectations. I will not be exaggerating if I say that even pandemic did not dampen our enthusiasm. The teachers, the students have shown how successfully each one of us has tackled challenges and made the most of the opportunities given. You all have learned to deal with anxieties and stood tall. This is what we have achieved at the Srijan School, Shreshtam Srijamya. With a great team of teaching staff and excellent students, I expect a continuous and sustainable development in learning and teaching in this prestigious temple of knowledge. I believe in the power of team cohesion. As long as we have a dedicated team aiming for the same goals, anything can be achieved. With these words, I congratulate the entire Srijan family for having completed 18 years of incredible years of learning, growth, care and commitment. Thank you.
हम प्रधानाचार्य जी के इन बहुमूल्य शब्दों के लिए तहे दिल से धन्यवाद करते हैं। मैं कुछ पंक्तियां कहना चाहूंगी। आपकी दिखाई गई हर राह पर मुस्कुराते हुए आगे बढ़ते जाएंगे। हर मुश्किल को हराकर मान सृजन का हमेशा बढ़ाएंगे। सृजन का आंगन हमेशा से संगीत के सुरों से आबाद रहा है। तो चलिए एक बार फिर संगीत के तरानों में झूम जाते हैं।
Bye. Socrates has rightly said that the secret to change is to focus all our energy not on fighting the old but on building the new. I hope you all will agree that the hardest thing in life is transitioning from one version of yourself to another. The Srijan School in the last 18 years has not only grown as an institution but also as a family. Let us all go down the memory lane and witness a journey of a few rooms turning into 4 floors, bustling with lives and vigor of young enthusiasts.
सृजन के बदलते इस स्वरूप को देखकर मन भावनाओं से भर जाता है। शून्य से शिखर तक पहुंचने के इस प्रयास में सभी ने अपनी भूमिका को तहे दिल से निभाया है। सृजन के इस बढ़ते बदलते स्वरूप में इसकी नींव से जुड़े ऐसे बहुत से लोग हैं जिन्होंने सदैव ही स्वेच्छा से कार्य किया है। मैं आमंत्रित करती हूँ हमारे स्कूल के ट्रस्टी श्री मनविंदर जी को कि वे अपने प्रेरणादायी शब्दों से हमें नई सीख प्रदान करें।
Dear children and members of the Srijan family, past few months have been unprecedented and challenging. This time has been neither seen nor imagined by any one of us. Lockdown, fearsome disease, losses and despair engulfed us. But true to human grit and determination, humanity rose to meet this challenge too. Digitization and online became a common word. We also witnessed people helping their not so fortunate people with free flow of human kindness, and finally preventive vaccination has raised our hopes to ride over this crisis too. Children have shown most adaptability and have sought pleasure in small things, given their parents a helping hand and learned big lessons of life very early. Now that we see silver lining and our hopes have risen, and we expect all of you back in classrooms very soon. Till then, keep your hopes high, stay fit and positive. God bless all of you.
Thank you, Manvinder sir. You will always be our guiding spirit. Your words mean a lot to us and have helped us stand tall even in these challenging times.
I would like to take this opportunity to invite Mr. Gujral, our trustee, who has been instrumental in the journey of our institution.
My congratulations to all the teachers, students, parents and staff on the founder day of the school. Keep the good work going.
Thank you, sir. With your guidance and support, the Citizen School will reach greater heights.
Today we have solemnized 18 years of the Srijan School and are here celebrating the hope it still instills in all of us. We are at a threshold where we are proud of our legacy, but are also aware that there is still a long way to go. It is rightfully said that excellence is never an accident. The sincerity and wisdom of our founders, along with the dedication and hard work of our principal, Mr. Vincent Ashish Moses, junior school head, Ms. Sonia Shamehok, and worthy teachers who have created a platform where we are nurtured like little cherubs. On behalf of all the students, I would like to extend heartfelt gratitude to all the building blocks of Srijan who have remained stoic even through the difficult times. Srijan has taught us to face our fears, grind through the obstacles and pave a path of success which others can follow. Keeping up with the new normal, we are again redefining a traditional festivity by celebrating our school's anniversary on an online platform.
I would like to thank Srijan for providing us with a home away from home and making learning fun and enjoyable. Hats off for keeping the spirits up during these bleak times and redefining Shreshtham Sujam Mein Hum. At the end, I would just like to say, सृजनात्मकता का दायित्व उठाए, वात्सल्य को सीने से लगाए, तुम हो पिटारा ज्ञान और संस्कारों का, तुमसे ही मिलता है वो स्नेह और दृष्टिकोण, जिसने बनाया व्यक्तित्व हजारों का, जिसने बनाया व्यक्तित्व हजारों का. Happy Founders Day to every Srijanite. Thank you.
सिखाया, ऐसे उच्च विचारों का हम करते